Universal Reads Kids channel. Let's learn ABC. A for apple. Apple is red and sweet. A for apple. B for ball. The ball bounces high. B for ball. C for cat. The cat says meow. C for cat. D for dog. The dog is friendly. D for dog. E for elephant. The elephant is big. E for elephant. F for fish. The fish swims in water. F for fish. G for grapes. Grapes grow in bunches. G for grapes. H for hat. We wear a hat on our head. H for hat. I for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. Fresh juice is healthy. J for juice. K for kite. The kite flies in the sky. K for kite. L for lion. The lion is king of the jungle. L for lion. M for mango. Mango is a juicy fruit. M for mango. N for nest. Birds live in a nest. N for nest. O for orange. Orange is full of vitamin C. O for orange. P for parrot. The parrot can talk. P for parrot. Q for queen. The queen wears a crown. Q for queen. R for rabbit. The rabbit hops fast. R for rabbit. S for sun. The sun gives us light. S for sun. T for tiger. The tiger has stripes. T for tiger. U for umbrella. We use an umbrella in the rain. U for umbrella. V for van. The van goes vroom. V for van. W for watermelon. Watermelon is juicy and sweet. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Listen to the music. X for xylophone. Y for yak. The yak lives in cold mountains. Y for yak. Z for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe!